How to retouch photos in Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make changes. First of all, open the application. Now you're in your home page. Here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. Now input the image that you want to edit. Here I'm tapping on one. So the image has been imported. Now again, tap on this image. Now here you'll be able to see different options. Slowly scroll down. Scroll down until you find the option called Retouch. So it is right here. Simply tap on Retouch. So as you can see, there's a slider here. So you can adjust the slider however you want. At last, tap on this done button and it will take some time and the retouch option has been enabled. So if you go back, it's all saved now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.